So let's get started with drawing 1.6, which is just create your own cool pattern. So I'm going to just do some things I know how to do. I'll start with some sort of a rectangle. Let me turn on my line weight so you can see them. And maybe I'll put a circle in each corner, and I think I'll make them the same size. So I'll do the copy command. And I'm just having kind of fun doing something that I know how to do. And let me go ahead and do some trimming now. I hit escape to get out of that one. I'll trim that, and that. Oh, that's kind of cool looking. So that already has kind of a pattern, but let me see if I can make another one. Maybe I can go from corner to corner just to see what it looks. I'm just trying to do some things that I've already drawn. That I've learned how to do. That's kind of neato. And I know circles again, so let me go ahead and put a circle into the middle of that. And I'll trim some stuff again. And I'll delete some stuff. And now, I mean, that's kind of neato looking, but there's another thing that I haven't shown you yet. And you can put some colors in here. And to do that, there's this little thing called a hatch. So you can see it. You see it's on the draw, and it's hatch. And if I click on that, it lets me do a couple of things. So I can do a solid color, and I can use kind of any color I want. I'll do some red. I'll make that. I'll make those ones red. And that's kind of cool looking. And then you can click this green check mark. And let me do it again, solid, and I'll use a different color. I'll do sort of some American River College colors. There we go. And I'll do that one. And I don't know what I want for the middle. Maybe I'll leave it like that. But now I've got a little pattern, and that was kind of cool. Maybe I'll put a color on there just to be kind of cool, just to show you one other thing that you can do. I'll put a green in there. And maybe I don't want it super green, so I can change the transparency so that it's not quite as heavy of a green as it was. So I can change that. So there we go. So you can have fun. Now, if you want to, you can put these together in multiples too. So you can copy that whole thing and maybe put that midpoint there and there. And then you can copy maybe all of those at once. Enter and put one there and there. And there we go. That's kind of neato looking. And of course, these little circles are made up of these. If I want to go back and make them green, I can. Now I got myself a pretty cool little pattern. And you can do whatever you want. I would like you to have fun and see how this can be used to do different things. So I'm going to do my file save as plate 1.6. And I'll take my snip of it. New. I had it just right and then I blew it. Let me get that again. There we go. Hold my mouse down while I do that. File save as, and that becomes plate 1.6. All this saving to do, right? And remember, you want to put all of these into your Google Drive so that you don't lose them sometime in the future or something like that. You can always get to them. So remember to back up your drive on your computer or in VMware to your Google Drive consistently. So there you go. That's the end of 1.6.